perspective the key to peace. Once in a small village, there was a wise old man named Ravi. Every day, he would sit under a large banyan tree, sharing his wisdom with anyone who would listen. One hot afternoon, a young man approached Ravi with a troubled expression. "I am always unhappy," he said. "No matter what I do, I can't find peace." Ravi smiled gently and handed the young man a glass of water. "Put some salt in this water and drink it," he instructed. The young man did as he was told and immediately spat out the water. "It tastes awful," he exclaimed. Ravi then led the young man to a nearby lake. "Now, put the same amount of salt into the lake," he said. The young man followed the instructions, and Ravi asked him to drink from the lake. The water tasted fresh and cool. "The pain in life is like salt," Ravi explained. "The amount of pain in life remains the same. However, the amount of bitterness we taste depends on the container we put it in. If you expand your perspective and embrace the vastness of life, your troubles will feel smaller. But if you keep them in a small, narrow mind, they will always taste bitter." The young man left with a renewed perspective, realizing that by broadening his view and embracing the world, he could dilute his sorrows and find peace. The moral of the story is that life's challenges and pains are inevitable, much like the salt in the glass of water. However, how we experience and react to these challenges depends on the perspective we choose to adopt. If we confine our thoughts to a narrow, self-focused view, our difficulties can seem overwhelming and all-consuming. Conversely, by expanding our perspective and embracing a broader, more inclusive view of life, we can dilute our sorrows and find greater peace and resilience. This story teaches the importance of broadening our outlook to better manage and cope with life's inevitable hardships. Thank you.